today I have a really good recipe for you guys. I love Mexican food, so with that being said, today we're going to fix chicken and shrimp sheet pan fajitas. When I go to a Mexican restaurant, this is my go-to item on the menu, chicken and shrimp fajitas. So I decided to, do it at home, try it out, see how it is. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start off, I have a yellow onion, a red pepper, a yellow pepper, a green pepper. I have 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I have 1½ teaspoon of paprika. I have 1½ teaspoons of cumin. I have a ½ teaspoon of onion powder, a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 dried oregano, 1/4 cayenne pepper, minced garlic, and salt and pepper. So let's get started to the next step. I also have my sheet pan here, which I just lightly sprayed it with Pam spray. I have a bowl here, and I'm going to put all my vegetables in this bowl. Aren't those pretty colors? Bright colors. Mix my onion. This onion been having me crying ever since I dropped one in the paprika. Been having me crying ever since I cut it. They look amazing. So we're just gonna set this aside. Now you want to take all of your seasonings and you want to combine them together. And you just want to give them a little toss. This right here is your fajita seasoning. Just in case you didn't know, it's just not no regular season. This is fajita season. Okay. So with that, I had to put my vegetables in a bigger bowl. So I have my vegetables here. And I am going to sprinkle just a little bit of the fajita seasoning on my vegetables. Not too much because I want the most of it for my chicken. So I'm going to save the rest of it for my chicken, and I'm just going to give this a little toss. Man, the onions has really opened up my sinuses. Okay. Get it a little toss. Look, something like that. Slide it over. Got another bowl here. And my chicken, which is just regular chicken breast, just cut up, or you can buy it already cut up. I'm gonna drain the water off. Well, drain the juice off. Okay. And with that, I am going to sprinkle the fajita seasoning over my chicken, saving just a little bit. I hope you guys can see. Zoom in for you guys. And I'm just going to give this a toss. Now, I'm just gonna wash my hands really quick. And with that being done, I'm gonna take a little of my salt, cracked salt. You can use this salt, or you can use, you know, regular salt. I'm just using this. Just crackle it over the chicken just a little bit, along with some pepper. And just give it a toss. Now, these are my shrimp, which I have already seasoned. I seasoned prior to. So season your shrimp how you want to. I just didn't want to season them with the fajita seasoning, because shrimps to me supposed to have Old-Bay seasoning on them. That's just my opinion. So I did not do that. I am going to add some on it. That's why I left a little bit. But for the most part, I just used Old-Bay seasoning, and I used some Creole seasoning for my shrimp. Now on to the fun part. So what I'm going to do is take my vegetables, and I'm going to put my vegetables down. Uh-oh. I'm going to take my chicken. I'm going to lay my chicken out. You just want to spread it out. You don't want it on top of one another, because you want it to cook evenly. And this was my biggest sheet pan that I had. Next, I'm going to just take my shrimp, and I'm just going to spread them out. Now, you want to cook your you want to cut your chicken really thin, so that, you know, it can cook evenly with the shrimp. So like, it's really cut really small, really thin. That's what you want. The vegetables is not gonna matter so much, but you definitely want your chicken and your shrimp to cook evenly at the same time. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take the rest of my fajita seasoning, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. You know, like so. And I'm going to take my salt, and I'm just going to go over it like that. Take my pepper. My hands are wet. The pepper don't come out as fast as the salt does. Okay, go over it like that. Take your garlic and just sprinkle it over top. Like that. Okay, just make sure all your vegetables in there. Next, you want to take olive oil, and you just want to just drizzle it over top of, you know, your fajita mix. So your chicken and shrimp fajita should look something like this. Gonna look amazing. Now you want to preheat your oven at 425 degrees, 425, and you want to cook this for 15 to 20 minutes or until your chicken and shrimp are completely done. Okay, so 15 to 20 minutes. If it take more, it's okay. It all depends on how much you have in there, because it may take more, but I will let you know how long I did cook mine for. But my oven is on 425, so I'll be back shortly. Our fajitas has came out of the oven. I cooked mine for additional 5 minutes, so I cooked mine a total of 25 minutes. Look at that goodness. Y'all see that goodness? My shrimps are done. Let me get y'all a close up. Look at those shrimps. My shrimps are good and done. My chicken is good and done, and it is tender, you guys. Let me set the camera down so I can show y'all how tender it is. So I'm gonna cut this piece of meat right here. I want y'all to see the white, juicy white meat on the inside. Look at that. Yes. Good, nice, juicy, and tender. Just how you want it to be. Our onions and green peppers are nice and done as well. They're tender and got my house smelling marvelous. So now all I'm gonna do is, which I have my tortilla wraps wrapped in aluminum foil in the oven. I have my oven on 250. So I'm just gonna take some fresh cilantro and I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top like that. You don't need a whole lot. And this right here is totally optional. And I have a lime. I'm just gonna cut. Because if you ask me, Mexican food is not Mexican food without a lime. So I'm just cutting my lime here.
Get some water. Come on.
I'm just gonna cut it in fours. Just gonna lay it on top. Like that. And once I get ready to serve, I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna just squeeze it on top of it there. Oh my God, it's gonna be amazing, you guys. Amazing. So just lay it like that, and there you have it. That's it. Quick, easy, and simple. One pan. That's all. One pan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my chicken and shrimp sheet pan. That's a tongue twister. Fajitas. They were amazing. Yes, they was absolutely amazing. So give this video a thumbs up. Comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, go make sure you go and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.